If you're too embarrassed to admit that you don't know the rules of football, but you don't want your friends to find out, well then you got to watch this video. I'm going to show you the basics of the game of football so that you can join your friends on game day and not feel like you don't know what's going on. Football is played on a field that is 100 yards long by 53 1/3 yards wide. The 50-yard line is the middle of the field, and it's marked off in 5-yard increments from here to the end zone, or the 0-yard line. The 0-yard line is the finish line. The way you get points is to get the football across the finish line, which is the 0-yard line. Let me show you. When you get across the 0-yard line, you're in the end zone because it's the zone at the end of the field. Makes sense, right? If you get the football in the end zone, that's 6 points. You might be wondering what these funny looking posts are in the end zone. Those are called the goal posts. When a team gets the ball in the end zone and makes what is called a touchdown, they get 6 points. But they also get the opportunity to kick it through the goal posts for an extra point, and that's why most times when a team makes a touchdown, they'll end up being 7 points. When your team has the football, they're on offense. The team that's on offense has 4 tries to move the ball at least 10 yards. If you move it 10 yards in 4 tries, you get 4 more tries to move it another 10 yards. When you hear the expression of 1st and 10, that means they're on their first try, or it's called a down, and they got 10 yards to go to get to their next first down. There's 2 ways you can move the ball downfield. One is you can run it, the other way is you can pass it. Let's say your team gets it down to like the 25-yard line, but they're at 4th and 10. In other words, they haven't moved the ball in their first 3 tries. If they don't feel like they can get it 10 yards to get another first down, they have the option of kicking what is called a field goal. If they can kick the ball through those goalposts, they get 3 points. It's called a field goal because it's a goal made from the field. What if they don't get it close enough to where they can kick a field goal? Well, then their option is to punt. If a team isn't able to move the ball 10 yards and get another first down, they will often kick the ball downfield so the opposing team has a longer distance to go to score a goal. This is called punting. If a ball is punted and it's downed in the end zone of the opponent's team, then they take it at the 20-yard line. If they catch the punt and run it back, they go until they score or get tackled or get forced out of bounds, and that's where their 1st and 10 will be at that point. When the team that has the ball is going for a down, the person that centers up over the ball is called the center. The center hikes the ball, which is called the snap, to the quarterback who stands right behind him, either really close with his hand on his butt or a few feet if he's going to catch it for a pass. Wherever the ball starts on the play, that is called the line of scrimmage. The line of scrimmage runs the whole width of the field. If the quarterback is behind the line of scrimmage, it's okay for him to throw a pass. If he ever gets in front of the line of scrimmage, it's no longer legal for him to throw a forward pass. All right, stepsons, now you know enough of the basics about football that you can watch it with your friends and have an idea of what's going on. And the more you watch it, the more you're going to understand the details, even those that I didn't share with you today. One of the most important things is if you're going to enjoy watching a game of football, you got to have a bunch of unhealthy snacks. And you want to yell at the TV screen like you're better than the referees and the players because you know better than they do. Always remember, you can still figure out how to navigate life as an adult, even if you haven't had a dad to show you how. And you do have a dad that loves you. You're going to want to watch this video so you can get your snacks ready for game day.
Touchdown!